Hey now, Mike Shaman here, and I want to show you guys something really cool that you can do with GoDaddy. There's this Whois count per month, okay? So if you look at it, it tells you who is and the number of people looking you up. So somebody looked me up, or 147 times people look me up for this particular domain name. So they're looking up who am I and whatever, looking for my contact information or who owns this domain. And as you can see, it shows the day count and it shows the counts per week and the counts per month, and then it shows the previous week. And so it shows a lot of different cool information here that you can use. The previous day, how many people looked up. So 8 people looked up on this one. Let's see, and there's a lot of information on here that you can use to your advantage. But I want to show you guys how to do it. What you want to do is you want to log into your GoDaddy account, then you want to go to Manage All on your domains. You want to log into your GoDaddy account, go to your domains, and go to Manage All. You're going to need to have your domains at GoDaddy, obviously, to do this, but they are the cheapest registrar. If you want to get on the GoDaddy auctions, go ahead, check out my link below. You can get domains for cheap. And also, I recommend, if you're doing domaining, get the Domain Discount Club, and that's going to give you a big time discount on domain renewals at GoDaddy. But what you want to do is you want to go to My Domain, you just want to go to Export, and then you just want to name your domain, and then all domains, and then display columns. You want to make sure you select all columns in order to see this information, okay? Just go to CSV, okay. All right, now it's exported that report, and I'm going to download it right now. Then I'm going to upload it to my Google Sheets. All right, so it's uploading right now. Just going to replace this spreadsheet and import it. All right, so there it is, and there's my data, and there are my Whois counts. So as you can see, the Whois counts for the previous day or the previous week right there. Whois counts for previous day right here. All right, then the Whois counts for the month, I believe, for previous month is right here. So you can see all those Whois counts, and you can check your domain over on the other side there. But I just want to let you guys know about this. If you're buying a lot of domains, this is a pretty cool feature. I want to let you know about it. Go ahead, check out my other domain name videos. I have domain name buying, domain name selling videos, and I have other tutorials on that. So you can check those out as well, and you might find some value in them. I'll see y'all in the next video.